to turn on or turn off Popover Appeared Sound effect when voiceover is on in iPhone 14 Pro. Open settings, tap settings to open, and then scroll down the screen, find accessibility. Next, tap accessibility, select voiceover, and then tap audio, select sounds and haptics. Scroll down the screen, find Popover Appeared, and then tap Popover Appeared. And on sound, tap switch until green to turn on, or tap switch until green to turn off. Tap switch until on to turn on Popover Appeared sound effect when voiceover is on, or tap switch until green to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.